Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to create Excel database. So now click on start button and go to Excel 2016 and open Microsoft Excel. And last week I created book 1 document. So click this here and sorry cannot use your X and bookmark 1 Excel and move, remove or delete. So guys, now I'm in this skin and click file and open new, and this is the home page without token, without database. So guys, today I'm just added any database or you create our personal save Gmail database. So create this. So guys, now example, I have 10 Gmail account and I create database or save my 10 Gmail account. So I'm just choosing this is the serial, extra serial SL, okay, and this is typing Gmail, okay, Gmail, and then type password, and then third box recovery email, and I'm just okay, then recovery phone number, okay, done. So guys, I'm click this here and automatically, so I need more because my email address and recovery email address. So guys, this is my email address and just I'm create serial to 10 and drag and 10 and just 1 2 3 4, okay, I'm just delete and 2 and hit enter, and okay, now so guys, now I am just example my Gmail Akash Khan 399@gmail.com, and this is my password and recovery email address and recovery phone number. So you can easily create your personal Gmail safe database. So goodbye, I hope like this video and subscribe our channel. Keep watching this video and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.